No problem. Okay, go ahead.
I'm just curious. So if I eat some like floured, one of those floured tortillas, like if I eat, let's say, I don't know, if I eat like 4 of them, will that be considered also bread, and I will need to do the bracha?
One of the best money investment that I would suggest, that does not cost a lot, especially if you live in US, approximately $10. You have to buy yourself scales. The scales for bakers, or you can use in the kitchen for everything, and weight these cookies or these tortillas or whatever, and see how much they weigh. I would not know. It depends on the weight. And what I want to tell you that the custom is that we like in the custom of the most people that we actually don't count like dough separately and the cream or like filling separately. We count everything together. Even it's you did not eat the full kizayas. Kizayas means it's 1 ounce, right? To say the after blessing. But we count all of them together with the filling. Okay, so to be on the safe side, you just eat a little more or less, but you have to wait on the scales. I would not know. There is no way for me to know. Even like if you say how much is the bread, I need to eat to 1 ounce. Depends on the bread. Like half a slice for normal bread, like not a puffy bread. So you half a slice, it should be enough for 1 ounce approximately. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, so please, I urge everybody buy these scales. Whatever, I'm not like whatever scales you buy, I think they're all good. But it's $10, $12 tops, and saves you all of the headaches. And plus, women can use it on the kitchen to weigh the things. Okay, any other questions, or we continue? Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yes. So let's say, okay, just to be on the safer side, let's say if you're at home and you want to eat, I don't know, like a tortilla, and when you eat at home, you eat a little bit more. Should you just say the bracha, eat some bread with it just to be on the safer side? And also, let's say if you just want to eat the tortilla as a snack, just say mezoines because it's not that much, like 1 or 2 tortillas.
I apologize. I didn't remind me that tortillas is I think we said it's from what is it?
Corn
corn flour, right?
Yes, corn flour and also flour, rice flour.
So there is it's corn flour has nothing to do with mezoines. Corn flour is always shechakol. Unless you tell me otherwise, unless you tell me that one of the ingredients there is wheat flour. So and just so we know. So if it's like under I don't know, like 2 or 3% of the ingredients, they're not obligated to include it in ingredients. So and even if you would have this wheat flour or rye flour less than 3%, so it would not change the blessing. It's like it's insignificant because you cannot even taste it, right? So it would stay shechakol. So not from these 5 grains, it's shechakol. Okay.